It is a beautiful morning on Friday, and we are going to ride up there at Space Mountain this morning. So, new trail and new attitude. Enjoy. Alright, here we go, folks. Yeah, I don't have too much clothes on. Turn on my Okay, so we're going to go the reverse way to Space Mountain, and hopefully it'll be a good ride. Alright, going out the gate, heading over to the street. You guys know this way. I'm going to try and keep it on eco mode for as long as I can. Going up a Venture Park right now. I'm a little out of shape since I races. Just got this one steep part right here. I have to negotiate. Really enjoying this trail, everybody. I just have to shed off some layers of clothes because I'm really warming up here. So I may do that here as soon as I find a nice flat spot. Here's another view. Sun coming up here in the east. It's going to be a gorgeous day. I don't know if you guys could see that. There we are, folks. You can see I'm sweating a little bit. I didn't think it was going to be this warm this early, so I'm going to shut off some layers of clothes. See you on the trail in a bit. Okay, done with rest. I'm gonna now take the trail home. Hopefully I don't get myself in a bind, since this is the first time I've gone the reverse route on Space Mountain. I'll just take it nice and easy. Hope you guys enjoy the ride. It'll be mainly downhill from here. So, here we go. You guys could see this view. It's quite spectacular, to be honest. So, quite nice. The trail should not be too technical, but it says you are now at 5500. Please stay on the trail. Okay. I don't know if you guys could see that. That's what is called Space Mountain and the antenna farm. So that's why this is called Space Mountain. It looks like the antenna farm on top of the man-made mountain at Disneyland. Okay, here we go. So this is the area where I had a lot of difficulty negotiating during my early part of being on this trail, because it's really steep in here. And yeah, I was still a novice, so I had to really, take my time and just be careful negotiating this. So you can see that it's pretty steep in here, and I just like to make sure I go, nice and slow going down this thing. So hopefully I won't get all discombobulated here. Let my bike do all the hard work. And, try to stay off that front brake as much as possible, which is great. So my first time up here, I actually got lost, and I went into this man's private property, and he got on his speaker system and say, "You're on private property, turn back." And I said, "Well, is there a trail there?" "Yes, there's a trail." And this is the trail I missed, of course. So, lesson learned. But this is great. This is really a great trail. They call it this. This is the Rosewood Trail going up the Space Mountain. We are at the Los Robles Trail East in Moore Park Road, which we just came from, and the Los Robles West to Potrero Road, which is down this way, if you guys can see my hand. But I'm gonna take you up to the top of the hill just so you can see the view. It's quite spectacular. And here we are. Woo! I don't know if you guys could see that, but that's the trail we're taking right now, right in front of us, to Rosewood, to Lynn Road. So here we go. Just so I don't get myself discombobulated, if you know what I mean. I mean, it's a good trail, don't get me wrong. It's just that when you're used to taking it in one direction, you got your mind, you got a picture in your mind of what the trail looks like and how it should be negotiated. Whereas if you do it from the opposite direction, your brain plays tricks on you. Because, I'm not at that level yet. I will be one day. Okay, we're getting close to the trailhead, so I'm going to go ahead and turn on the camera so you can see this last bit here. It's really a fun trail. And you gotta watch the oncoming hikers and cyclists, especially if they don't have a bell like me. I didn't want to annoy you guys with the bell, so that's why I don't have it on. Otherwise I'd have it on. So we're getting close here to the trailhead now. And here we are. This is Rosewood, in a housing area. Wait. I'm going to take surface streets to the house. So thanks for riding with me, you guys. See, it's trash day today. That's always nice. Home.